how to use GoMoWorld and save money. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about GoMoWorld and how you can use it and save money on your travels. So let's get into it. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to scroll down to the description. You'll find the website, and you will also find some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply on your checkout page, so you should be good to go. Now next, what you want to do is you want to sign up, and you can sign up by using your Google account. It's actually quite simple. I've already signed up, so let me go ahead and log in again. So click on the login button and just simply sign up with one of the socials. It literally takes a couple of seconds, so you should be good to go. I accidentally clicked on the Apple one, I think. Then just simply select your account, signed in successfully, and there you go. It's as simple as that. Then you can go ahead and download the application on both Android and iOS. It's available on both, and you will get 1 GB free trial on the selected destinations only, so keep that in mind. And then just simply go ahead and select your destination, download or set up your eSIM. Once you've downloaded the application, it'll tell you how you can do that on the on-screen instructions, and then you're good to go. Then you can activate it when you're ready, and it's as simple as that. So over here you can see all of the most popular destinations and how much it costs. These are the days or the plans. We've got the 7-day, the 30-day, and then we have the 30-day plus, and how many data you've got. So if you click on see all, these are all the destinations available. So if you click over here, all destinations, these are it. Click on the see all button and you can see all 205 countries that are available. You also have zones as well, so keep that in mind. Then just simply select your destination. So let's go to Barbados. We click over here, then we just simply select one of the phones that we have. You can see all of the phones and companies that are available. All the phones are available for all these companies, and if you don't have one of these phones, these are all the other phones that are, supported by GoMo. So then you just simply select the plan, you can see right here, and then just simply confirm it, and you should be good to go. You can use this on the phone once you've downloaded the application, set it up. Then all you got to do is confirm it from the website, also log in over here and then activate it, and you're good to go. So it's as simple as that. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.